Hello everyone, I'm again here with a new tense, and today I will cover up the two tenses of past. Okay, as you know very well that in past we have also four kinds of tenses. One is simple past, second is past continuous, third is past perfect, and the fourth one is the past perfect continuous. So right now I am dealing with the simple past. Let's come here. Simple past. The simple past tense is used to express actions that took place at some time in the past and are over now. That means what? Some work was happened in past. Past में कोई काम होता था, अब नहीं होता. ठीक है? कुछ एक्शंस होते थे पास्ट में, बट अभी वो नहीं होते हैं. उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग सिंपल पास्ट. ओके? सो there is a difference between, lots of students ask me, sir, what is the difference between simple past and present perfect? Present perfect is also speaking that some work has done, already done or just now. मतलब काम कुछ ही देर पहले खत्म हुई है या ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, बट माइंड इट, that has finished on that day. Okay, but simple past, it has finished, but it was a past action. Okay, it has finished yesterday, not today. सपोज कोई डायरी लिखता है, ठीक है, डायरी राइटर होते हैं ना बहुत सारे, ठीक है, देखिएगा बहुत सारे लोग डायरीज को लिखना पसंद करते हैं. सो सपोज आई एम अ डायरी राइटर. ओके, सो आई यूज टू राइट डायरी एवरी डे, व्हाट आई डू एवरी डे. ओके, आई जस्ट राइट देयर, okay, by as per my dates. Okay, so suppose today it's not possible for me to write the diary because today I have a party. I couldn't return to my home. Okay, so today is 8th of May. So अगर मैं 9th May को फिर डायरी लिखने बैठूं, and I'm just seeing there during that time कि अरे 8th May वाला तो बाकी रह गया पेज, वहाँ तो मैंने कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है. सो मैंने क्या किया, अब मैंने 8th May वाला डायरी का जो राइटिंग है, मैंने क्या क्या किया था वो एंट्री करना शुरू किया. बट आई कांट राइट इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. ओके, बिकॉज वो जो काम, जो एक्शंस था वो सारा ओवर हो चुका था, बट वो यस्टरडे में ओवर हो चुका था. ठीक है, इसका मतलब मैं 9th में अगर मैं कल लिखने बैठूं तो मैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में लिखूंगा उस टाइम, बिकॉज वो जितना सारा काम, अगर समझो मैं 10 बजे जाता हूँ खाकर सोने के लिए, 10:30 बजे मैं सोने जाता हूँ, तो मैं क्या करूँ, 10 बजे मैं डायरी को लिखने के लिए बैठूंगा. तो मैं जितने सारा सुबह से मैंने जो काम किया, उठने के बाद, मॉर्निंग वेकअप के बाद जितना सारा काम किया अप टू लंच तक, सॉरी डिनर तक, ठीक है, उस सारे कामों को मैं प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में लेके जाऊंगा. बट सिंपल पास्ट में वहाँ पे पॉसिबल नहीं होगा, बिकॉज सिंपल पास्ट टोटली यस्टरडे हो जाएगा. ठीक है, लेट्स कम टू द रूल ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट. दिस वाज द डिफरेंस ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. सो रूल क्या है, देखिए हमारा सिंपल पास्ट का. इट्स सेइंग दैट subject, verb to and object. Verb to, that means the past form of the verb. Okay, let's see the example. They drove their cars very fast. Subject they. Drive is the V1 here. Okay, drive is the V1. Okay, so what would the V2 of drive? Drove their cars very fast. Their car is an object. We usually went to the school by bus. अभी का बात नहीं बोला जा रहा, जब मैं बच्चा था उस टाइम पे मैं स्कूल बस से जाया करता था. अब नहीं जाता, वो तो पास्ट की बात हो चुकी है. शी नेवर वर्कड एट नाइट. वो कभी रात में काम नहीं किया था. ओके, किया, रात में कभी काम नहीं किया वो. तो ये था हमारा सिंपल पास्ट. तो मैं जाऊंगा अभी सिंपल पास्ट के नेगेटिव में. ओके, सिंपल पास्ट का नेगेटिव का क्या रूल है. सब्जेक्ट डिड नॉट. गाइस, you know very well that did is the past form of do. Okay, that means did is the verb to of do. Okay, did is the verb to form of do. One example is here. We did not play the game. So according to the simple past rule, subject, verb to and object will be there. That means before the negative, in positive form, what was the sentence? It is we played the games. Okay, it is in positive form. But if I'm telling you to convert it into negative sentence, then what will be there? So you follow the rules. Subject will be there, we. You need to apply did, not. Now verb 1 will be there. Why? That means, wait, we played the games. There, subject, V2 and object. Okay, simple past rule. Play, played. But in negative, what we are seeing here, that I have to apply did not, but this V2 will be V1. ये V2 V1 हो जाएगा because did already V2 में है. दो V2 एक सेंटेंस में नहीं हो पाएगा. ठीक है, हो सकता है अगर एंड लगे तो, बट यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. ठीक है, ये वन ही सेंटेंस है, दो वर्ब टू कैसे हो सकेगा. तो ये डिड जो है, इसका जो V2 था उसको ले लिया है, तो इसलिए अब इसको V1 कर देना पड़ेगा. ओके, नाउ कम टू द इंट्रोगेटिव. डिड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब 1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. मैंने इसी से फिर आपको समझाया. देखिए, डिड यू प्ले द मैच, द सेम रूल बी देयर. डिड इज द वर्ब 2, दैट इज वाई यू कांट राइट इट प्लेड. ओके, you have to write in V1 play. Interrogative negative, that means question verb did, subject verb 1 and object and question mark will be there. Interrogative negative होगा. ठीक है, didn't you play the match, question mark. ओके, देखिए फिर से didn't का फॉर्म है, ये सब्जेक्ट है, V1 है. ओके, so this is the simple past. I hope you have understood this simple past tense. Now I am going for the past continuous tense. Okay, let's. Past continuous. It's saying that some work was going on continuously during past. Past में कोई काम continuous चल रहा था. That's called past continuous. What is the rule of the past continuous? Subject was where, verb 1 ing and object. Okay, चलिए example देखते हैं. So in present continuous, what is the similarity here? V1 ing. In present continuous we have also the V1 ing, but in present continuous we use am is are, but in past continuous we are using was and were. Okay, clear? So where we use was with the singular. I was, he was, she was, it was, any name like Ashok was. Okay, and where for the plural, you were, we were. Okay, they were. Okay, the boys were. Now come to the example. I was sleeping when my parents arrived. Okay, here you are seeing two sentences. Mind it. If you are getting two sentences in past continuous, I'm again repeating. If you are getting two sentences in past continuous and that has been added with when or WH words, always remember, if the first one is in past continuous, then you have to apply the second sentence in simple past. Both will not be in past continuous or both will not be in simple past. Yeah, both can be simple past and past continuous when the two sentences will be added with and. Like I was dancing and singing. I was dancing and singing. Both ing will be there. But as it is not added with when से नहीं add किया गया है, that is why if the first sentence is past continuous, then you have to apply simple past in the second sentences. Okay, always remember, because it's very useful in our editing or subject verb agreement. The students were making a noise when the teacher entered the class. The students were making a noise, past continuous, when the teacher entered the class. So in these two sentences, which was going on, students were making a noise. That means teacher had already entered the class. Teacher class में घुस चुके थे. But noise तो continuous था. ठीक है, वो बंद नहीं हुआ था. So this was a continuous work. Okay, so if I am giving in fill in the blank, suppose I have given the students dash within bracket make a noise when the teacher entered the class. So you have to make quick answer. At first you should watch that which one is in simple past and which one is in past continuous. You have seen that this is in your fill in the blanks, and the second sentence that contains simple past, then it's clear that the first sentence will be in past continuous, and that is why you need to apply the past continuous rule. Subject was where v1 ing and object. Okay, if I would give you I was sleeping when my parents dash, and within bracket there is arrive, then again you observe that the first sentence is in past continuous, then you should apply the second sentence in simple past because that has been added with when. So I have applied here the simple past rule. Okay, so these are the past continuous and simple past. In my next video I will again teach you the past perfect and the past perfect continuous. Thank you.